Hi everybody, this is CR number 12, helper video number 4. This is the final question on the CR. It says 3x minus 7 equals 11x minus 8x minus 2. And it says to solve that. So we're going to solve for x. So the first thing we do is we look at this left side. The left side I can just go ahead and bring down because there's nothing there that I can combine and it doesn't have any parentheses. So I have 3x minus 7. Now I go to my right side. Notice that I have parentheses that I need to go ahead and get rid of. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 1 here in front of the parentheses, circle the number that's in front of those parentheses, and distribute it to each term inside the parentheses. Well, a negative times a positive is a negative. Well, let me bring down my equal sign. There we go. And 1 times 8x is 8x. A negative times a negative is a positive. There we go. And a 1 times 2 is a 2. The 11x was not a part of the parentheses, so I just bring it down. And now I'm going to look only to the left side, and I notice there's nothing there that I can combine together because they are not like terms. So I go to the right side, and it looks like I have x's here and I have x's here, so I can go ahead and put those together. But since it's kind of simple, I don't have to really make a chart because I can just do in my head, 11x's minus 8x's. And 11x's minus 8x's is 3x's. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring down the 2. And the other side remains 3x minus 7. All right, so once again, you always have to remember I want my variables on this side and I want my constants on this side. My variables are always on the left because that helps me to solve the problem easier. So I go ahead and I draw my ladder. And I'm going to subtract these 3x's on the right side. And I'm subtracting them because I need to zero them out so that they're all over on the left side. But notice this. 3x's minus 3x's on this side is also 0. So those zero out as well. So it seems like on this side, I'm only left with a negative 7. Bring down my equal sign. And on this side, I'm left with a positive 2. Well, hopefully you guys are looking at that and you're saying negative 7 never equals positive 2. So guess what? If these two sides do not equal each other, then there is no solution. And how that is written up there in the multiple choice, it kind of looks funny, but this is the symbol for no solution. Good luck.